In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your virtual location with NordVPN. Let's start by opening the NordVPN app and logging in. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard right away. If not, enter your account details and continue. Logging in ensures the app can securely connect you to NordVPN servers and apply your subscription settings so everything works as expected. Next, choose how you want to pick a location. You can click directly on the world map, where you'll see pins for different regions, or you can open the countries list. The map is great if you're a visual person and want to zoom in on a region, while the countries list is perfect if you know exactly where you want to connect. It's organized alphabetically, making it quick to scan and select. Now select the country you want to connect to. This determines the general location of the server and the region assigned to your internet traffic. Keep in mind that different countries may offer different content or routing, and distance can affect speed, so choosing a location closer to you often results in faster performance. If you have a specific site or service in mind, pick the country that best matches your needs. Once you've chosen your country, click Connect to switch your location. The app will start establishing a secure tunnel to a server in that region. During this process, you might see a brief loading indicator. That's normal. It's negotiating encryption and setting up the route. Now wait for the status to show connected. This confirmation is important. It tells you the VPN tunnel is active, and your traffic is being routed through the server in your selected country. You might also see a new virtual IP address displayed in the app. If you're switching between countries, give it a moment to finish the handoff. Finally, check your IP online to confirm the new location. Open your web browser and search for "What is my IP?" or visit any reputable IP lookup site. You should see the IP and country reflect the region you selected in the app. If it doesn't update right away, refresh the page or try a different lookup site to rule out caching. Seeing the correct country confirms that your virtual location has successfully changed. That's it. Open the app and log in, choose your country from the map or list, connect, wait for the connected status, and verify your IP online. You're all set to browse with your new virtual location.